Right now, we should be traveling to the beautiful Swiss Alps, but due to COVID, we have had a change of plans and found a new adventure. To treat ourselves on this trip, we decided to fly first class. I gotta tell you, I love the legroom. My wife, on the other hand, is short, so she doesn't need the legroom that I need. But we both enjoyed it immensely. Well, we definitely ain't in Florida anymore. Yeah, she thought I was taking a video. Haha, joke's on her. I said a photo. Oh, whoops. I meant photo. It's cold because we're not in Florida. I want to say first class. Oh, yeah. For me, for the leg room, I love it. You know, she's got leg room on an economy flight. But, yeah. So we're waiting for our rental car shuttle, and then we're going to get a rental car, and then we're going to go to someplace I haven't eaten in over a decade, and I'm super excited for. So we'll see you then. Well, there's In-N-Out, which is where we want to eat. But look at that line. Holy moly. I was told today that they have only been here for about 6 months. We're going to try to go inside, and my wife can have her first In-N-Out burger. Check these three things out. Whoop. Just stick your finger in it. Whoop. Okay, so it's my wife's first In-N-Out burger. So here we go. I've been waiting for this moment ever since I found out they have one here. See if it's as good as I think it is. This is like my number one burger. What do you think, babe? Okay. And then I'm gonna take my first bite in over a decade of an In-N-Out burger. Oh. Yep, just as good as I remember. So fresh. Well, we're gonna enjoy these burgers, and then we're gonna go to a hotel. So we got a few more days here, so we'll see you in the rest of the trip. Take care. Have a good night.